The big story at 5, same-sex marriage is the law of the land in Virginia. After years of litigation and court filings, the Supreme Court denied all appeals by gay marriage opponents in 5 states, including the Old Dominion. 10 on Your Side has been leading the coverage of this story since a Norfolk couple first filed a lawsuit saying Virginia's amendment prohibiting gay marriage was unconstitutional. We have live team coverage of this groundbreaking move. Erin Kelly is live in Norfolk, where courthouses started issuing marriage licenses this afternoon. And Brandy Cummings has reaction from both sides of the debate. Let's start with Erin.
Well, today at 2 o'clock, Tony London and Tim Bostic walked into that courthouse and they got a marriage license. It looks like this from George Schaefer. He's the person who first denied them the marriage license in the first place. But today, all 3 of them said it was a great day. The first time Tony London and Tim Bostic walked into the Norfolk Circuit Courthouse to apply for a marriage license, they left without one.
Mr. Bostic and Mr. London came in to get a marriage license, which I'm not prohibited from doing, and they filed suit, and the suit has been ongoing.
It all ended Monday when Bostic and London returned an hour after an order from the 4th Circuit cleared the way for their marriage license. They were greeted by flowers from strangers.
We're so very proud of you.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Larissa Williams and her 10-year-old daughter, Sedona.
It's long overdue. It's amazing, and we had to witness it.
Well, this is totally different than the last time. This is so great.
They held up their hands for an oath and filled out the paperwork.
Which number of marriage is this?
1.
Number 1.
Then the man they had sued to get that one piece of paper handed it over with a smile.
And this is your keepsake certificate that usually the minister will fill out, which you can hang or do whatever you'd like with it.
Thank you so much.
We appreciate
Long time. It was a pleasure suing you.
It cost them $30.
No price.
It's
Do not
hard
put
to
a price.
explain how when you've tried so hard to get something that you can't put a price. It's priceless. And not only that, it's almost surreal that it's actually here and happening.
Then they walked out of court, one step closer to being married.
Y'all can't imagine. This is the greatest day in my life.
Now, it's not clear when they're exactly going to get married. They did thank their lawyers for getting them to this point. Now, coming up at 6, I'll explain what happens to same-sex couples who have already been married in other states that live here in the Commonwealth of Virginia. Live in Norfolk tonight, Erin Kelly, 10 on Your Side.
10 on Your Side's Erin Kelly is live in the Norfolk outside the courtroom where same-sex couples started getting marriage licenses. Brandy Cummings is in the newsroom where she's been gathering reaction to the ruling all day. Let's start tonight with Erin.
Well, Tony London and Tim Bostic walked into that clerk's office to apply again for a marriage license. They paid $30 on a credit card for it, but they say it's worth much more than that.
Do you solemnly swear or affirm under penalty of perjury that the information you have provided to be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes,
I do.
absolutely.
It's finally there, everybody, and that's what we had to do.
Thank you so much. It was a pleasure suing you.
With a few signatures and a $30 credit card transaction, Tony London and Tim Bostic became the first same-sex couple to get a marriage license in the city of Norfolk Monday. It was their second time trying.
The first time we came, it was a little uncomfortable because we knew we were performing an act of civil disobedience.
The man who gave it to them this time, Circuit Clerk George Schaefer, couldn't a year ago. It led to a court battle that ended Monday.
Before we had to deny them, and it's a great day that we're able to grant them that marriage license.
Supporters Larissa Williams and her 10-year-old daughter Sedona practically skipped to the courthouse after learning same-sex marriage was legal in the Commonwealth. They wanted to share flowers with couples.
I thought this would be a fabulous lesson for her. Plus, it's just beautiful. I'm sorry, I'm tearing up. They fought so hard, waited so long for the right to just get married.
It's official.
Michael Wolf and Donald Durst, who've been together 27 years and spent 30 in Virginia, just wanted to hear that their Delaware marriage license meant something here.
As of 22 minutes ago, we are legally and happily married here in Virginia. Love you. Love you too.
We started this fight. It was very personal, as I've said over and over again, so that the 2 of us could get married and protect our family. And today we can do that, and we are very happy about it.
Now, according to the clerk, if a same-sex couple got married outside of the state, they won't be getting a marriage license here necessarily, or a piece of paper even. It just means now that their marriage license from another state is valid here in the Commonwealth of Virginia. Live in Norfolk tonight, Erin Kelly, 10 on Your Side.